Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Zion's Leaf and Spines, and for today's video I will show you the look of my um, new arrangement for my big pots. So ito na sila, tas yung baba hindi ko pa nalagay yun sa pots, yung mga soil mix ko, but as you can see, maganda na sila. Tingnan, gumanda ito. Yan na yung bagong look. And you will see I have my Purple Delight. I also have my Ghost Plant, Purple Delight. And then, ang nagbubutsugang Mendoza. This is the new Mendoza that I planted. Ito yung yung propagation ko. Tapos kakatanim ko pa lang yung bandang dito. Tapos may ghost plant din ako dito. Ito yung unang pili ko ng ghost plant na naglalagas. And this one here, yung palibot itong ito yung mother plant. Tapos itong palibot dito, mga propagations na yan. And I also cut it here. Ayan. Kasi parang matamlay siya. Gusto kong magkaganito. Tapos nilagay ko dito para maging lush. And then I also have my jadelets. As you can see, I have my jadelets here. Ito yung ginagawa ko siyang bonsai. Okay naman na siya. And then ito yung newly repotted mini bill ko here. Naulanan na siya nung nakaraang araw, but I'm not that hindi ako kinakabahan kasi very sturdy naman to sa mini bell. And I also have the koala here. I put the koala here because I will cut yung variegated one. Ito, I will cut the variegated one here. Kasi basa yung lupa niya. Gusto kong matuyo yung lupa, kaya I put it here under the sunlight. As you can see, may bago na siyang leaves. So it means na okay na siya. And as you can see, may mga na dito, may mga aerial roots na. And this is the one that I want to cut. I will top cut it here kasi as you can see, ewan kung makikita nyo, but yung bandang dito may siya, may variegation. So gusto kong makuha yung variegated na koala para naman may tayo ng variegation. But for this koala naman, I think this is also the variegated one or the monstrous one. So yeah, and maybe some other time itatapkat ko rin siya dito para naman ma-preserve ko yung pagka-monstrous nitong si koala. And I also have like the blue cloud here. Di ko alam kung anong nangyari sa blue cloud ko kasi yung last time na nilagay ko, maganda tong blue cloud na to last time. It's just that nung nilagay ko malapit sa may lutuan namin, na siya, na anuhan ng mantika, ng oil. Yun yung nasira yung farina niya. Tingnan nyo, may mga ng farina. Yan yung oil. That is why I changed the location. I mean, I changed it. I put it here sa front ng bahay namin. So that naman bumalik yung ganda ni blue cloud. And what else? I think let's see sa the other side, sa corner, mini corner ko. Let's see kung ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kasi 'di ba nag-ano tayo last time, naglinis ng mini corner ng shelves. So I will show you kung ano ng look ng shelves natin kasi in-arrange ko na siya I think kahapon or last day. So let's see. Okay. Ito na yung look ng taas. Ayan o, may ano ako dyan, may burrito, may Tito Buns, and then the variegated, the apricot. I also have super bomb, and my propagations of like ng ito si ano ulit ka si lagay ko ito dito si Bill Baker and the Mamilaria, and then here Ladyfinger. Plano ko siyang ilipat ng mas malaking pot para lumaki pa. Tapos I also have my Scindapsus there. Hindi ko pa yan naripat. Tapos may cactus ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong cactus to, pero maganda siya. Then I also have the newly repotted Mini Bell and the Golden Barrel. Have two. And then I also have Mendoza. Hinayaan ko na lang yung Mendoza ko dito. And I have propagations of ililipat ko to of like this one is Purple Delights, and I also have this Jocelyn's Joy. I think this is Jocelyn's Joy. And then propagations pa rin ng one of the cactus, I don't know what's the name, and Adolphus. And so hindi pa talaga siya maganda. Yan, dito naman sa dito banda. May papakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Si variegated. Ito ay variegated na ano. Variegated. Oh no. Variegated jade. Variegated jade. Pero nawala na yung variegation niya. I don't know why. Parang gusto ko siyang i-top cut. Nawala yung mga variegation niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari dyan. Pero buhay na siya. Thankfully, buhay na siya. And I have another propagation of Purple Delights, and I also have Purple Delights here. And yung sa gitna, in Marpin yan. Then propagation of Tito Buns, and I also have another propagation of Purple Delights. Look. And I have another pot of apricot, Jocelyn's Joy, and newly repotted Tito Buns. Tapos grabe talaga yung ano ng ito yung mother plant ng Tito Buns ko. Tas ito yung propagation ko. Galing lang to sa leaves. As you can see, after like almost a year, ito na siya. Yung iba hindi nag-survive. And I have the new repotted at ito yung top cut ng na matay ko na Mini Bell. And I have Jocelyn's Joy, and then another cactus. This is the newly repotted propagations of Purple Delight, and ito yung pinagkatan ko ng ghost plant. And sa baba, let's see. Sa baba, I have this one. I don't know what's the name, but this is one of the Aglaonimas. And what I want to do is to propagate this one. Wala pa lang akong ano. Right here. Maganda siya, 'di ba? I think that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing and like and share na rin, para ma-inspire na naman tayo gumawa ng bagong videos. And you have a great day ahead of you. Bye bye.